Dear ParisWellness, I'm worried AI might replace my job. How can I stay relevant and secure in this changing workplace? Dear viewer, thank you for sharing your concerns about AI potentially replacing your job. It's a fear many are grappling with in today's fast-evolving world. The rise of AI and automation can feel daunting, but I believe you have the power to navigate this challenge and come out stronger. Let's explore two possible paths forward and how you can position yourself to thrive. Path 1 is the displacement era, and the worst choice for you. We're in an era of rapid technological shifts where AI and automation are transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. Companies are increasingly turning to cost-cutting measures, and for some, this means replacing human roles with machines. This creates a widening gap. Those who can't adapt quickly enough may find themselves left behind. The reality is that routine, repetitive tasks are most at risk as AI excels in efficiency and precision for these functions. We don't want to be in this area. So path 2 is the rise of the Renaissance people, and here is where you can shine. This is the era of Renaissance people, where humans and AI work as partners, not as competitors. The future belongs to those who embrace continuous learning, adapt to new tools, and lean into uniquely human qualities like imagination, empathy, and insight. These are the skills AI cannot replicate, and they're your greatest assets. You need to be a Renaissance person, and this is what you can do to stay ahead. To avoid being sidelined by AI, here are actionable steps to secure your future. Upskill strategically. Identify skills in your field that complement AI, such as data analysis, AI tool management, or creative problem solving. Platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, or Udemy offer courses in high-demand areas like AI literacy, project management, or soft skills like emotional intelligence. Embrace lifelong learning. Commit to staying curious and adaptable. Read industry trends, attend webinars, or join professional networks to stay ahead of technological shifts. Highlight your human edge. Focus on roles or tasks requiring creativity, empathy, or complex decision-making qualities. These are qualities AI struggles to mimic. For example, if you're in customer service, emphasize building relationships. If you're in tech, focus on innovative design or strategy. Learn to collaborate with AI. Familiarize yourself with AI tools relevant to your industry, whether it's using ChatGPT for drafting or mastering AI-driven analytics. Being the person who can leverage these tools will make you indispensable. Network and advocate. Build relationships within your organization and industry. Showcase your adaptability and willingness to grow. Employers value workers who proactively evolve with the company's needs. The key is to see AI not as a threat, but as a tool you can harness. By staying proactive and learning continuously and leaning into your uniquely human strength, you can turn this challenge into an opportunity to grow and thrive your career. Wishing you confidence and success on this journey into the AI future. With care for you always, Maria from Paris Wellness. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.